Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about UI blocks for Supabase. This is a recent release from Supabase, and it's basically a shadcn block library to connect front end to Supabase backend, and it's amazing. So far, it has like blocks for sign up, sign in things, and it has real-time cursors, file uploads, which I love. It's very useful, and user avatars, real-time stack avatars, real-time chat blocks, and so much more. So today we're going to just check out all the designs and how it works. So starting with the password based authentication files. So this has like lots of files, and it basically covers everything from forgot password form, login form, logout button even, and sign up form, update password form, everything. So it's full end-to-end components, and it is great so far, especially considering login, logout buttons and everything. So previously I used Clerk because this is hard, setting up all the pages, setting up all the view styles and everything. I can definitely do it, but connecting it with backend, connecting it with front end, creating a new page for every project that I make, it's a lot of work. And Clerk just brings everything in one click. But this, I can just use this link and this installation and just have everything. That's great. So I'll probably use this a lot. And same with drop zone. Previously I went into Cloudinary and something because they have like a pre-built drop zone. But if again, so this has this, I'll just use this code and easily do drop zone support in my app. So this is again an amazing component. Real-time cursor, I'm not sure how much I'll be using this because it's not very, it's for like specific applications. I have not made any application with real-time cursor, so I'm not sure, but it looks cool. And current user avatar is also good. Probably they can go even further and do something like Clerk, which when I click on it, it'll open up a drop down with maybe sign out or other things like that. So this is cool. Real-time avatar stack, again, I'm not sure how much I'll be using this, but this is great so far. And of course, real-time chat, as I said, real-time things not very usable, but yeah, it's great that it's there. And the most used, probably I'll probably use this in all my projects, so which I'm using Supabase for these rules. So they gave like all the rules that we needed in using Supabase projects. So this again, these are good. I'll probably use this everywhere. So yeah, I'm mostly interested in password authentication and other components. Based on this, I hope they expand this even more with components for like Polar, 11cpc. So we can bring in we can easily bring in things like payments and things like that, maybe even Stripe. So we can easily bring payments and more things that Clerk has, like sign in, sign up components and organization components. Even if they bring that, that will be like amazing. So yeah, this looks good so far, and I hope they continue adding more blocks. And yeah, that's it. Bye bye.